If we invest our funds somewhere, like in any investment plan, and if we want to find out what's the return on our investment after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, whatever the plan is, then we'll use a simple calculation to calculate that. So let's get to the example. For example, I have those investments, cost of investment, and their final value is those, and ROI formula, return on investment, if I want to find out how much gained or how much lost I be it on those investments. So what I will do, I will calculate by using so is equal to, and first thing is start of bracket, final value minus and cost of investment, close of bracket. Only this bit of formula, it will calculate the increase or decrease amount. So when we minus this final value from the original cost of investment, so it will calculate the difference. And then we'll divide by the cost of investment to give us the percentage, how much it increase or decrease, is positive or negative percentage. So enter, and now it's showing the 18%. Just drag from the bottom, and you can see for the return on investment for or the rest of the investments as well. So sometimes the formatting, they have the general formatting. So if general formatting selected, it won't give you the percentage. But if you want to convert it into percentage, you simply just select those cells, and from here you can see number section, there is a percent sign. So click this one, it will convert into percentage. So these are the easy calculation to calculate return on investment. You can further select those cells, and then you can insert the graphical presentation, for example, like some chart to make it look like more presentable your investment. So the chart will be added on your data. So you can squeeze it, make it look like more presentable. So you can add the title as well. Just right click on here, add data labels, and it will add the data labels as well. It will show the percentage, which percentage on each investment. If there is negative, it will show at the bottom here. So this is how you can easily calculate the return on our investment to find out is your investment is profitable or not. Hit the like button if you like this video.